Have you ever dreamed of getting free products from brands, but then thought, my following is way too small? Or worse, I don't even want to post on my personal account because what if my friends or my family clown me? Listen, I've been there. And let me tell you, your follower count, it's not the main thing. What really matters is the value you bring as a creator. And if you don't want to use your personal account, no stress. You can simply make a fresh new one just for your creator journey. That's what I did because I actually was embarrassed if someone of my family or even my best friend saw me talking directly to the camera doing a review of a product. Hi, I'm Frey. I'm Dominican. I've been a UGC creator for 3 years now, and I'm a content strategist, affiliate and UGC manager, and a social manager. And I also run my own business. So here between us, I have some experience working with brands. And today I'm breaking down step by step how you can start receiving PR packages from your favorite brands, even if you have fewer than 200 followers. Yeah, that was me when I first started. Let's go. All right, let's keep it very simple. Just 5 steps. The last one is my favorite and the one that actually made me successful in this industry. Step 1, treat your profile as your portfolio. Think of it as your little personal website. Your bio should be clear, your content should have good lighting, good audio, and honestly, just let your personality shine. A little secret between us, brands actually stacks your profile before reaching out. So you need to make that first impression count. Step 2, post with intention. Don't post just random stuff. You can create maybe a little series or themes so you look consistent, maybe 2 or 3 times per day. That's what I did actually. I wasn't perfect, but they say consistency is key and makes the perfection. You can start sharing like a weekly skincare review, a 30 days using this shampoo. Honestly, I started creating content with the products I actually have at home, like shampoo, nail polish, my face cream. If I bought a new pair of shoes, I started making content about it. So you don't need fancy PR to actually show brands that you can create good content. Step 3, be part of the community. Don't just drop a post and ghost. Comment, share, like, interact with other creators or even the brands themselves. Because brands do notice when you are active and genuine, it makes you stand out. And please listen to this one. Make yourself easy to contact. Please, creators, have your email in your bio and turn on your message request. From my experience working behind the scenes managing creators, I can tell you how many creators I have skipped over simply because there was no way to reach them. So don't let that be you. And step 5, this one's big and it's actually my favorite. Be picky. Don't say yes to every brand. But why? If I just want to get PR packages, I'm a beginner in content creation. Be picky. Work with ones you actually vibe with, whose products you love, or even if you haven't tried them yet, the brands that actually match your essence and your values. Because trust me, when you only partner with the brands you actually aligned with, it shows. And that's the secret to build credibility and long-term partnerships. So guys, whether you have 200 followers, 2000 followers, you can start receiving PR packages. I received my first PR package when I had around 100 followers, and I remember it was no promotion at all, but it was from Bubble. Big shout out to Bubble because they really support micro influencers. And after that, I just started posting consistently. I landed so many deals, paid deals, and the PR packages I've been receiving since then, the amount is crazy. Here I have some I received yesterday. This is a K-beauty brand, a fashion brand, and my favorite nail stickers. And I have more here that are from the last week. As you can see, I receive PR packages from all the niches and it's so exciting. So yeah, guys, it's not about the numbers. It's about strategy, consistency, and being real. Just be you and show that in camera because brands really like that. And if this helps you out, please hit that button below and subscribe for more creator tips. It will mean the world to me because this is my first YouTube video and it will help me to reach to more people that are interested in this type of things. Also, drop in the comments what your biggest struggle is if you are planning to start this creator journey or if you want to know platforms where you can sign up and get PR packages. I would like to know and maybe create a video that can help you out. You can follow me on my social media where I share some of the content I create for some brands and see you soon. Bye bye.